Disclaimer. The contents within this video are supplemental to the safety lessons taught in class by the tech ed teacher and is not the definitive last word on the subject at hand. No person or student should attempt to follow any of the safety guidelines herein or use equipment until they receive safety training from the tech ed teacher within the shop itself and only after completing their safety demonstration and written test. The Media Blaster uses a medium such as walnut shell, crushed glass, glass beads, aluminum oxide, copper slag, the list goes on, in order to remove and prep material for surface finishing. It is important when we use the Media Blaster we check two things before we turn it on. The first is that these gloves that we wear on our hands have no holes in them. We can easily figure that out by putting our hands in there and feeling around. Again, reach in, put your hand in the glove and feel for leaks. You should feel leaks. The second thing we check is to make sure that the nozzle on the end of the blasting gun, this white piece, still has a nice round hole and isn't damaged. This one has a little bit of chipping on the tip, but the hole is still good, which means the gun is still good. Small parts are particularly dangerous to blast because our fingers are so close to them. So what we can do is we can take this basket we have, place our part in the basket, and then hold the basket while we blast them. And that basket goes into the cabinet. Make sure once you put your part in the cabinet, you close and lock both of these locks. The switch at the top of the cabinet controls both the light, the air, and the vacuum. The vacuum must be turned on in order to use the Media Blaster. As I'm left-handed, I hold the blasting gun in my left hand, as so, and I hold the material in my right hand. The issue is we do not want to blast sand onto our hand. So what we do is we spray away from us, and then we bring the gun in the flowing media slowly until we feel it touch our material, and then we go to town and we clean it. Okay?